Antarctica, 190 million years ago. The region had a warm, humid climate with seasonal variations and high pollen levels, indicating a thermophilic environment. The absence of mud cracks suggests it wasn't distinctly dry, while the presence of worm-like organisms points to consistent year-round fluvial, alluvial, or lacustrine waters. Cryolophosaurus, a carnivorous theropod. Cryolophosaurus was a robust theropod and one of the largest dinosaurs of its era. Estimates suggest that a specimen could have measured between 20 and 23 feet in length and weighed between 770 and 1,000 pounds. However, in 2016, some paleontologists proposed a larger size estimate of approximately 25.3 feet and a weight of around 1,720 pounds. It is worth noting that the individual studied may have been a subadult, indicating that fully grown adults could have been even larger. Despite its slender build, Cryolophosaurus stands out as one of the largest known theropods from the early Jurassic period. Cryolophosaurus has been observed with ribs extending back to the neck area, leading to the hypothesis that this individual may have succumbed to asphyxiation due to these ribs. Nevertheless, it was determined that these remains were indeed part of the Cryolophosaurus specimen and not from a lodged prosauropod. Cryolophosaurus fossils have been found in the Hansen Formation in Antarctica. The term Cryolophosaurus originates from Greek, where it combines words meaning cold or frozen, reflecting its discovery in Antarctica, with auros meaning crest, and sauros meaning lizard. Therefore, it translates to cold crest lizard. Cranial display characteristics, exemplified by Cryolophosaurus, are logical in the context of social and gregarious species, where individuals can observe and understand signals related to sexual status. Some paleontologists have questioned traditional theories regarding the function of unusual cranial formations and postcranial armor in dinosaurs, suggesting that these features may not solely serve to attract mates, deter rivals within the group, or intimidate potential predators from other species.